Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as Detecting and Characterizing Extremist Reviewer Group in Online Product Reviews. So basically in this project the authors have proposed a concept of identifying the extremist reviewers in the online product shopping sites like Amazon. So here we will be using Amazon dataset in this project and we will be showing the classification using NLP algorithm and finding the extremist reviewers in this. So here in the paper you can see the pre-processing the data set. In this chapter you can see the Amazon dataset is being used and NLP normalization technique as pre-processing has been done. Those things are being mentioned here. So you can see the dataset details mentioned in the paper in the chapter 3. So we have implemented this project in Apache NetBeans IDE 12.0. So let me run the project now here. So I'll just copy this URL and paste in other browser instead of Internet Explorer. And this is the home page welcome screen of the project with the project title and the abstract mentioned in the base paper. And this is the short notes that we have done in this project with the project title. And the first module is like we'll be using dataset upload. So in the dataset upload, we'll be using uploading the dataset in a CSV format which has more than 2000 data. So first we'll click Start Analysis. So here you can see the option of uploading the dataset. So as mentioned, so we'll be uploading the dataset in the CSV format which has data more than 2000 data. So these dataset is collected from Amazon website. So select Browse and select the review data 1 and click upload. So once if you click upload, the dataset will be loaded into the browser and you can see the message dataset loaded successfully, and here you can see the uploaded review dataset with the features available. So the second process is like we'll be using data cleaning and pre-processing. So here common words will be cleaned out. So this is the pre-processing stage, and after that we'll be using NLP analysis and clustering. Now here you can see the uploaded data set with the features available in it. So this is the raw data set. Now we will click analysis and we can make the next step. So other options are available, or here you can see the features of it: product ID, name, brand, categories, manufacturer, review data, purchase, verify, reviews, helpful, review rating. So these are the things that generally you can see in the Amazon website. So those data have been collected and the features are being labeled here. So if you want to select those and you can classify, you can do it. And here we have the other options of exporting this data in a CSV, PDF, those other formats also. Now we'll see the analysis part. Now click analysis. So once if you click analysis and you go to the IDE, that is NetBeans IDE, in the background you can see the data sets that we have uploaded is being processed now. So you can see each data set that have been uploaded is being processed in the background. And please note that this stage, it takes time, and surely you need to have minimum of 4 GB RAM because we are using 2000 data set here. So it will be making more space, so it will be taking time to consume process here. So here we are using standard NLP algorithm. So what it does is like here each data will be processed and then it is stored into the database. So the reason it will be taking more time for storing and processing all the data which is available. So you can just check out those processes in the background. The console of the NetBeans IDE 12.0, you can check out those things. So these are the things that's happening right now. So I'll show you in the MySQL also the database. You can see, so each data is processed and it is being stored here. You can see that process is happening now here. You can see that. So I'm showing you the database tables also here. So now, as intimated, it will be taking more time to process all this data. We will just pause this video and I will just come back the video after processing is completed. So now the processing is completed, so I have restarted the video again. Now the analysis part has been finished. So once the analysis part is finished, you can see the analyzed data here. This page will be displayed here after successful message given. So here you can see the analyzed data. Here you can see the analyzed data with the features, and here it is been classified, and you can see the segregated results here. You can see the results of the extremist reviewer and verified, non-verified. So let me show the complete data which is been classified now. Here you can see the review variation table. So this has been classified from the NLP, and the review variations has been shown with the review ratings and the sentiment types. Let me show the complete process data here. You can just drop down on the complete end of the page and you can see it. So all the data that is uploaded has been classified. So here you can see the non-verified purchase details also. So verified and non-verified, the review variations will be available in this analyzed data part. So here we have options of converting in the CSV, PDF and everything. So these are the results based on annihilation. So we'll be seeing the results of extremist reviewer, non-verified purchase reviewer, and review variations will be identified in this part. So here you can see the options of exporting copy, CSV, Excel, PDF, print formats. If you want, you can make this data exported the results. And now we'll go for the graph analysis, the final part, the final module of the project, which shows the two graphs. The first graph is like it will be showing the number of extremists versus users, that is 33. 33 extremist reviewers are available in the data set now, which we have processed 33, and the users will be around 2137. So here also you can print this graph or save as JPEG or PNG for your result analysis. You can just store that one. And the next graph is like, click next graph, and you can see the analysis of review sentiments, that is negative, neutral, positive, very negative, and very positive. So from the data sets available, you can see this sentiment analysis has been classified with these 5 classes, sentiment types, and the same you can also export this, save this, or the PDF or JPEG or PNG. And this is all about the project detecting and characterizing extremist reviewer groups in online product reviews. And thank you for watching.